Hi guys, today I'm going to make a video on Monday Sales CRM. So first off guys, we have to make an account, so we can click on get started and just wait a few seconds while it loads. So here guys, we can so we can continue with Google guys, or we can add our email right here guys. So for me it will be easier to continue with Google, so I'll just do that. So clicking on Google, click on your account, and after that just click on continue. So what brings us here today? So guys, you can see that you are here for work, personal, school, and non-profits. I'll say I'm from school. Let's say that I'm an undergraduate student, and I'll just click on continue. How many people are on our team? Let's say that there are from 6 to 10, and that I have heard them from some other place. And now we're just waiting. Just waiting a little bit while it loads up. Here is it guys, it's trying to pull us into the program. As it's set getting our CRM ready, we can see in the background this is simply the main menu. We can see that here we have a drop menu, but we'll look at it after a little bit. So we can right here invite our team, we can send them a link or other email addresses. We can make them an admin or a member, whichever you want, but I don't have anyone to add, so I'll just click on remind me later. And as I said previously guys, now we just have to name our details board. Like my details board will be called NetTech. My first deal will be tech, and my second deal, so the name of our groups will be let's say NED. Yes, and now we're here in the menu, so we can see this is the name of our group. Net, the deal cannot be edited, so we can edit this one though, and we can edit the deal and the second deal. We can select the stage, like we can make it that a new stage at a gray. I think that it is for non-available, but I don't really know. It is, we can see at LAN 1, we can see at last. We can set it to another one. We can see who is the owner. We can see the value that is being given. We can see the contacts, the close data, and we can also make a new deal. Like guys, here's the deal. We can open it and just set it from here. Here we can change the name. We can change the name. We can select the stage. Let's say that we're at the negotiation page. We can add an email, add an activity, add a feedback. Okay, let's just mute this. We can set the deal value, like it's estimated to $100,000. We can add contacts, we can add a close date and everything guys. So let's just say that we can make it here, we can make it as a one case one deal, and it will go right here though down. We can see who is this guy, Alex Green and Lily Smith. We can see the sum that is for RGOs. And also, guys, we as you see here, we have notifications tab and inbox, invite members tab, apps tabs, email settings, and everything, guys. But let me show you right now the plans. So right now we have 4 plans. The first plan is the basic plan, the second one is the standard, the third one that we're using right now is the pro, and which is more the most popular, and the fourth and last one is the enterprise. So for the enterprise plan, guys, you have to contact the sales teams to talk about the price with them and negotiate. You have to talk to them about the size of your company, how much of a capital do you have, and how many seats would you like to purchase. So you can just also see here, we can, if there are 200 plus seats, I think that you have to negotiate here. You just submit a ticket here, and but it's, if it's for a small amount of if it's for a small amount of seats, it can be just bought from here. So we can see, guys, that there's a basic, a standard, and a pro. The basic is $12 per month per seat. The standard is $17 per month per seat, and the pro that we're using right now is €28 euro per seat. I'm sorry, I didn't mean dollars, I meant euro. And we can see that the more expensive it is, the more perks it has. And that really is it, guys. I hope that the video was helpful to you, guys, and I wish you guys a great day. See ya.